push left on the tag line.
Got it. Okay, bring it down 5 centimeters. This is the full uncut construction sequence of a giant American railway bridge being built across one of the most technically demanding mountain gorges in the state of Montana.
The point cloud is looking good right here. We're getting strong returns.
Okay, let's move to the next prism target, Station 4.
Do you need more core samples from this section?
Alignment confirmed on the crosshairs.
Checks out on the tablet, Chief. We are good to proceed.
How's that consistency now?
Much better. Keep the pressure steady.
All right, keep the hoist steady. We're landing the next panel now.
Copy that. Watching the load swing.
Keep the flow rate steady.
Pulling the tube now.
Watch your hands, lowering the bar into the hole.
The camera captures the formwork construction for the main east abutment foundation block, showing a carpenter and formwork team.
The spacing is correct. We are compliant with the schedule. Everything looks good. Let's keep moving.
We are showing +2 millimeters on the northeast corner.
All right, adjust the shims until we hit the datum.
Drill rigs 1, 2, and 3 maintain the grid pattern. We need this ready for the next concrete pour.
Keep that hose moving towards the east side of the block. Vibrator crew, maintain spacing. Watch the wind coming in from the west. Copy that. Bring it down slow. We need a hair to the left. All right, it's set.
Base plate contact is solid. How are the torque checks coming?
Checks complete, engineer. All bolts verified and marked.
Bring it back 1 millimeter. That's within tolerance.
Copy that. Lock in the jig now. Plumb is good. Release the crane.
Okay, team, focus on the exclusion zones marked here.
We cannot have anyone inside the red tape during the lift.
All right, line it up. I've got the first bolt in.
Okay, hit it with the gun.
We can sign off on the dimensions.
Verified against the material certificate.
No subsurface defects found on this weld.
Take the tension up slowly. Keep an eye on the sway. Copy that. Tension coming up.
Here. The connection crew uses a drill and drive method, aligning the bolt holes with a drift pin before each M36.
East pier to west, reading at P2 is 98.45.
Roger that. P2 at 98.46.
Base, this is the platform. We have secured the King Post framework. Tension looks good. Over.
We need to capture the exact geometry under the crane reaction. What are the loaded condition readings?
Easy down. Hold it right there. Little left. Set the pins. All right, crane, hold tension.
Resident engineer, this is the carrier, confirming both tips are within tolerance.
Affirmative, carrier. Survey data confirms alignment. Proceed for closure.
The predicted thermal movement program shows the cantilevers aligning between 2 and 3 p.m. That's our window for the closure lift.
Temperature baseline reading 4.2 degrees Celsius. Displacement steady at 15 millimeters.
Noted. Maintain observation until thermal window opens.
Sling levels confirmed.
Roger that. Clear to deck, slow lift. East rim commencement command authorized.
West rim acknowledges. Lowering sequence initiated.
We are at -3 meters, 40 centimeters, holding steady.
All right, bump it east just a hair. 1 inch movement on the boom tip. Hold steady against the wind. Easy, easy. Confirmed alignment. Set the load.
West connection, deflection steady at 3 millimeters.
Tension confirmed. Proceeding with sequence B.
Roger that, maintaining load share.
Crane operators, confirm release status. Are you clear to fully release?
Confirmed, Director. We have structural closure.
The camera pulls back to show the full structural profile of the connected bridge.
Acknowledged. We are holding the current stage for survey confirmation. Do not proceed until authorized.
We're set here, B. How about you?
Clear on the south side. Give him the signal.
All right, take the tension off, Joey.
A specialist waterproofing installation team applying a liquid-applied reinforced polyurethane membrane system.
.600 millimeters right there. Set it down easy. All right, get the tampers ready.
How are the readings looking?
All good here, maintaining torque.
All right, boys, keep the pace up. Stop the trolley. We have a 2 millimeter gauge deviation here. Mark it for tamping.
Understood.
Cable 12 Alpha, terminating at panel east.
Confirmed. Panel secured.
Panel 4 connection looks good. Moving to the closure zone. Wait, this bolt here is missing the paint mark.
Noted. We'll have them retorque it. All right, slowly now. Watch the positioning blocks. That's it. Hold it there.
The structure is performing as designed. We are well within 10% of the predicted value.
Bridge approach clear. Ride quality stable. Noticing the acoustic shift now on the steel deck confirms the difference. The track geometry remains stable across the full length.
Confirmed. No anomalous settlement detected on the readout.
The structural deflection data looks good, well within tolerance.
Yes, and the track geometry confirms a smooth transition at the approaches.
That's the last one secured.
Looks good. Bridge is officially commissioned.
With the submission of these safety documents and as-built drawings, we formally hand over the completed bridge structure for railway operation.
Start detensioning the haul rope now.
Roger that. Pressure's dropping. Stand clear of the tracks.
Crane is secure, ready for the lift.
The earthworks teams are reversing the road construction to minimize the visual impact. Rock benches are being backfilled and replanted.
The temporary cableway was the first major challenge, requiring a helicopter across the gorge. Then the precision...
We've got heavy ice forming on the soffit right here.
Okay, I'll clear it now before the next run.
All readings on the truss cords are within tolerance.
Confirmed. The connection plates look solid here too.
I've cross-referenced the geotechnical reports with the foundation design.
Excellent. This package truly captures the complete knowledge.
A triumph of modern engineering, this bridge stands as the latest chapter in the American West's long history.
Purpose, educational purpose and informational purpose. Using advanced AI tool and human creativity, all concept scripting and storytelling are independently developed to ensure originality. Visuals and animation are enhanced using AI technologies such as View 3, Meta AI and Grok AI, while final editing and post-production are completed using CapCut and other professional editing tools. No external creator content has been copied or used any resemblance to real world environment, factories or processes is purely coincidental. All scenes shown in this video are digitally created and do not represent real footage. This content is produced with transparency and follows YouTube monetization guidance. Thank you and subscribe for more real videos. Manufacturing Factory.